Jai Sri Mataji. I bow to all the seekers of the truth. The 21st century man scientist throws a challenge and he says, where is the God? And whatever he discovered, whatever he has invented, everything scientifically, in the same manner, he says, the God should appear like that, God should be proved like that. This is a big question challenge he throws. That is why Sahaj Yoga has come. The creator of Sahaj Yoga, Her Holiness Sri Mataji Nirmala Devi has come, taken the incarnation in 1923 and started Sahaj Yoga in 1970. To bridge the gap between the spirituality and the science. Science can go to some extent only, not to full extent. But whereas Sahaj Yoga can resolve every problem, every issue about the human beings, about the animal kingdom, everything. About the atmosphere, the entire creation, Sahaj Yoga gives solution. To bridge the gap between the misunderstandings of the 21st century man, who is not able to recognize the spirituality, who is not able to recognize the God's creation, Param Puja Sri Mataji has advised the great scientist Dr. K. Ram Misra, who settled in Canada now, to conduct the experiments in his lab to study about the soul of the person, soul Atma. He has done 2 experiments and he discovered so many things. Those things he has projected in 2 seminars held in India. One is on 13th January 1990 Bombay and the second is 19th March 1993 New Delhi, in the presence of Sri Mataji Nirmala Devi, the creator of Sahaj Yoga, great incarnation of 21st century. Sahaj Yoga helps bridges the gap between the spirituality and science. And science can go to some extent and it discovers whatever it is there, whatever it is kept there. The earth rotates. Scientist finds earth is rotating. Why rotating? He cannot answer. He cannot answer many things. So Sri Mataji asked the Dr. Ram K. Misra to conduct the experiments on the soul and on the cell of the human being, membrane, peptides, protein, how all these diseases, stresses, how they are occurred due to the drugs, due to other things, stress, tension, everything. He has conducted 2 experiments. Those 2 experiments we want to reveal to the mankind now. Dr. Ram K. Mishra is McMaster University, Hamilton, Ontario, Canada, full professor of psychiatry and biomedical science. He is the advisor to government of USA, National Institute of Mental Health and Mental Research Center, Canada. Both governments he is the advisor. He is also consultant to United Nations and WHO. And he has written so many books and he has published his findings in international reputed journals. And Sri Mataji has praised him. He is very bada vidwan. He is very great scientist. He has written these many books. Sri Mataji has informed to the press, scientists, in the scientific conferences, 2 conferences. He conducted the research on the peptides in human system called endorphins, which relieves the pain, reduces the stress, reduces the tensions, and increases the resisting power to extent of 50-60%. Whereas in the ladies, due to periods, their resisting power is to somewhat below the level of men. He finds out that also. He has taken 20